It's called We Hate You, Please Die.
Sweet! Love this one.
Oh, we hate you, we hate you, we hate you, die!
I hate when guys wear skinny jeans.
I hate antibacterial hand gel.
I hate birth. People are always like, oh, congratulations, congratulations, you're gonna have a baby. It's a miracle. Oh, no, it's not.
I hate when people give me a card for my birthday that sings to me. Because that shit is not cute.
I hate homeless people.
I hate police.